This is Hitard Court, which East West Connect partnered with Ideal Commercial to replace the capital plant boilers in the plant room. We were called in under urgent nature because the heart of the plant, the boilers, had fallen over and affecting over 400 residents. We had to work very fast with Ideal to get the solution and the boilers back up and working. We chose the Evomod 1000 due to the fact it's modular, it can fit in these difficult places, and working within an existing building where we can't lump down a 500 kilowatt boiler. We worked with Ideal to come up with a solution to break it into modules, and we went for 4 250 kilowatt units bolted together to give us the 1 megawatt heating that we required.
I looked after the entire install of the job. The install of the boilers is a quick and easy process. The kit that comes with it, from the manifold that they supply and through all the pipe connections, we could then just run our pipework away from it. Working with Ideal Commercial is an easy process. Ideal Commercial are a tried and trusted company that we've used on many occasions. Anytime there is any slight problem, they're there to answer.
I would recommend Ideal Commercial to the industry because the journey that they give you is very pleasant. From conception to completion, they're always with you, from sales through to technical, through to commissioning.